Welcome to the Notary Launchpad Portal Website Editor Quick Start Guide. In the next few minutes, you will learn how the website editor works and how to make your first edits with confidence. To access the website editor, follow the Edit Website link in your admin dashboard. You may be asked to log in with your admin credentials in order to access the editor. The website editor lets you build and update the public pages of your retail website without knowing how to code. Like using Legos, the site editor uses a simple block-based design. Each block is a section of content that stretches across from left to right, like a hero banner, a pricing section, or a contact form. You can add blocks, rearrange them, edit any text, and publish changes when you're ready. At the top, you have the Page Selector. This drop-down is where you choose which website page you want to edit. Choose any page. Below that is a sticky editor toolbar where your editing tools appear whenever you want to edit text. On the right side of the toolbar, you will see Save Draft and Publish Draft. These are your two main actions. Save Draft keeps changes private. Publish Draft pushes your updates live for all visitors. Important note: refreshing the page before saving your draft loses all changes you just made. Be sure to hit the Save button. It works just like the Save button on a spreadsheet or a Word editor. Note that if you want to add pages beyond the preset pages that exist here, the only option is to add blog or news pages, which can be done by following the News and Blog link at the bottom of the page. As mentioned, page blocks are horizontal pieces of content that you can add, edit, rearrange, or delete. This is a page block. This is a page block, and this is also a page block. Notice that how, as my mouse moves across various page blocks, the block is highlighted with a dotted outline, and controls for that block appear. Every horizontal page section you see is a block. Hover over a block to reveal its controls. The top right has the Move Up button and Move Down button to reorder the page. The Duplicate button makes a copy right below. The Delete button removes the block. At the top left, click Configure Block to open the block settings. This is where you adjust layout options, colors, and other block-specific settings. To edit the actual content, click directly into the text on the page and type. The editor toolbar appears at the top, with familiar tools like bold, underline, text color, and links. Your changes appear instantly on the page, so what you see is what your visitors will see once the page is published. To add a new section, click Insert New Block below at the bottom of any block. The block browser opens. Pick a category like Hero, Cards, or Functional, then click a block style. The new block appears immediately in your page. Many blocks include images. Some images are part of the block configuration, and some are embedded in the text. Open Configure Block, then click Change Image. You can upload a new image or paste a URL. The same upload dialog works everywhere in the editor, so once you learn it, you can reuse it across all blocks. For advanced customization, or if you want help reformatting or improving your HTML, open the source code view in the editor toolbar. In addition to the raw HTML, you will also see the Noty AI helper panel. Type a short instruction like, "Make this a 2-column layout with icons." Then click Ask Noty AI. It will generate updated HTML for you. Review it and click Save to apply. For completely custom blocks, you can either write your own HTML or ask Noty AI to generate blocks for you. To begin with this, start by inserting a new block and choose the Empty Block option. Remember, anytime we want Noty AI to help with HTML generation, we click on the HTML we want to change and then select the Source Code button from the toolbar. Ask Noty AI to generate some HTML and click Save to see the results. If you don't like the results, you can continue working with Noty AI to improve the layout, or you can edit the block yourself as before. When you are done editing, choose how to save your work. Save Draft stores changes without going live. Publish Draft makes your edits visible to customers. If you are unsure, save a draft first. You can come back anytime, review, and then publish. Remember that published changes can take up to 30 minutes to appear on your live website. Here is a quick recap of the main buttons you will use most. Insert New Block below adds a new section. Move up and move down reorder blocks. Duplicate makes a copy. Delete removes a block. Configure block opens settings, and clicking the content lets you edit text directly. That is the core workflow. Select a page, edit blocks, add new sections, upload images, and publish when ready. The editor is designed to make page updates simple and safe, even if you are not technical. If you need a quick refresher, use the Replay Tour button at the top. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building your website with Notary Launchpad.